Okay, we've got a 2008 Nissan Navara pickup truck at the insurance company's request. We've supplied and installed a Thatcham Category 2 insurance approved dual circuit analog touch key immobiliser. So 2 touch keys with the system. System automatically arms each time the vehicle's ignition is switched off, and the vehicle won't start unless the receptacle on the dashboard is tapped with one of these electronically coded touch keys. So let's say system arms automatically. So there we go, that's the system armed, LED flashing away to tell us it's armed. We attempt to start the vehicle, we get nothing on there. Okay, so simply get your touch key in the socket, LED goes out. There we go, vehicle starts and runs fine. Ignition off. After 20 seconds or so, the LED will start flashing again to show you the system's fully armed and activated. So there you go. Insurance approved Thatcham Category 2 touch key immobiliser. 2008 Nissan Navara.